I think a bird just flew into my window. I can't make this up. I don't know. Hey, Maya, leave it alone. Oh no. I don't know if you guys can see him there. Don't mind my deck, but oh my God. Yeah, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I just witnessed a bird fly into my glass door and die. So that was something to deal with. So we're gonna click back into this workout. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and happy Wednesday. Thanks for joining me for yet another workout. Today we've got a 15-minute, as many rounds as possible workout mixed with a little bit of a 40-second on, 20-second off hit workout, 4 rounds, and then we are done. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys the moves as we go along. So I've started the 15 minutes. We are starting with seal jacks. So down, your arms are in front, and you're going to jump out, arms out as well. And we're doing 25. Okay, and then we're going into 30 mountain climbers. So down in that high plank. Okay, and then we're doing 30 flutter kicks. So back on your butt, and then whether your hands are down and you're kicking, or for extra, a little bit more challenging, arms up, and we're doing 30. Okay, and then our last movement here that we're gonna rotate through before the 15 minutes is wide to narrow squats. So you're gonna start with your feet hip distance apart, and you're going to jump out to a wide squat, back in narrow squat, out. 25 total. So wherever you end at that 25, stop there. Okay, and then we're gonna go right back into it with the seal jacks. It is 15 minutes consecutive, so at any point, again, need a break or water, take it when you need to. It's not a race. You're only up against yourself, so do what you can, push yourself where you can. Okay, and then down again for those mountain climbers. And then right back to the wide to narrow squats. All right, and then we'll go through that again. We're gonna try to get 4 rounds in here. We've got 8 minutes left. You should really feel this on the side of your butt and on your thighs. We're really targeting both those areas here. Grab some water, catch your breath. It is 2 heavy lower body exercises right after the other, so it can be a lot all at once. All right, try and get 1 more set in here. We got 5 more minutes.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Again, the option with these flutter kicks to hold down at your back. If that's too easy or you want to challenge, raise your arms up. We got 2 more minutes here. Catch your breath. Go back into those steel jacks if you don't need the break. We're gonna finish off wherever we end up here is where we end up. One more minute. Final push wherever you are. Push through that last exercise. Thirty more seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, grab some water here. We're gonna transition into our 40-second on of work and 20-second off interval exercises here. So grab some water and we'll grab my timer and we'll get started. Okay, so we've got 4 exercises here. We're gonna start in 40 seconds. We're doing single arm burpees. So down, your arm can be out for stability and come back, and you're gonna alternate each arm as you go. If that's too hard for you, just do a regular burpee with both hands, but try that single arm combo with your arm out. We're halfway, 20 seconds down. It's our last circuit for today, and then you guys are done. Five more seconds. All right, 20-second break, and then we're going into curtsy lunges. So while you're taking that break, you are standing hip distance apart, one leg back behind you, and then raising back up in that lunge. 5 more seconds and we'll get into it. 3, 2, 1. Five more seconds. Perfect, and then our next move is going to be a push-up to a oblique twist. So you're gonna be down, whether it's a modified push-up or standard, down and then twist. So if you are in that modified position, we are starting now. You'll just do modified and then come up for that twist, and you're going to alternate each time you go to that side. Ten more seconds. Okay, and then our 20-second break, but while we are breaking, it is a bicycle crunch. So you're down on your back, legs are in a 90, and you're rotating between the 2 legs and arms, twisting that upper body as you crunch. Starting 3, 2, 1. Halfway. Three, 2, 1. Okay, so those are the 4 moves. We're gonna go through that 3 times. So you got 2 more. And then you are done for the day. Catch your breath here. We're gonna go right back into those single arm burpees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ten more seconds. Two and 1. Five more seconds and we'll get into those curtsy lunges. And go. Three, 2, 1. Five more seconds and we'll get down to that push-up with the oblique twist. 3, 2, 1. More than halfway. Awesome. One more move here and we have one more set. Three, 2, 1. Bicycle crunches. You're halfway through your second set. Your last move here. We have one more set to do, and then you are done. 4 more minutes. That's all you got to give yourself. 3 more seconds here. Good job. One more set, guys. The last time we have to do these single arm burpees. Take this final rest and then we'll get into that last set. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway. Three more seconds. Good job. We are done with those single arm burpees. You can kiss them goodbye. They're off our plate. We're gonna get these curtsy lunges off our plate as well. One more set, 40 more seconds. of this workout with these curtsy lunges. Give it your all here. How many can you get in? Halfway. Final 5 seconds.
What we do here is go back.
Good job. Those are off our plate. We got 2 more exercises and then we are done. Catch your breath here. We're gonna get back into those push-ups with that twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Halfway. All right, I lost track there. Sorry, we are done. 1 more exercise. We're gonna bicycle for 40 more seconds and then we are done today's workout. Like I've said 1,000 times, we're finally here. 1 more movement. In 3, 2, 1, let's finish it off. Halfway, final 20 seconds, push through. Final 10. Don't give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job today, guys. Thank you again for joining me again for another workout with me. Thanks for enduring that super sporadic bird incident we witnessed earlier in the workout. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you know somebody that would benefit from these videos, please send them my link. I would really appreciate your support and hope you have an awesome Wednesday. Bye, guys.